Pile of them, and I think every last one of them's a doe. Ever have those days where nothing really is quite going the way you planned? That was my day today. It is feeding time. It's the first time I've been out of the house all day. I had a lot more cleaning up to do from our trip than I thought I did, and yesterday we spent all day. We had to go to town for some bird food, and then we spent the rest of the day putting Christmas lights on outside. We had some that weren't working that we had to switch out, and then I had bought some for one of the trees that are two big trees. Lights stay on them all year round because they're just so big. So we had to rewrap some lights on the one tree, but that was basically all we did yesterday. So today I cleaned, and I cleaned, and I cleaned, and I cleaned, and I cleaned all day. But I did get the rest of the inside Christmas stuff up, so I call that a win. But now it's feeding time, and I'm really behind. It also snowed all day today. Well, not all, but most. And we were only supposed to get like an inch. I think it's closer to 3. Hello, my babies. Hi. Hi. Hi, Elvis. What are you guys doing? Are you looking for dinner, buddy? Elvis, buddy. You guys are so jealous. Yes. Yeah, we got water. It's a little slushy. I do have a heater in this trough that I switch between these guys and all these troughs. This one actually wasn't even slushy, so they've been definitely drinking out of it. Boys? Hello, my boys. Hi. What are you doing, Viper? Huh? Hi. Yeah. Good boy, Stud. Stud Muffin. Guys are all looking good. Hey, Sturgeon. That's my Sturgeon. Yeah. Good boy. All right, let's get you all fed. Little mama, you have oodles of hay. Are you just being cranky to be cranky? You think you need fed some more? You got 2 buckets of water. They're not frozen. I just checked. All right, a little more hay. It blends in with the rest. It's really tough to tell that I fed you. But apparently that flake is better than the other flakes. Well, there was a little wobble. But she's still, man, she's cruising. She is walking all over the place. Her appetite's good. She's drinking. I'm so happy. The plan is, we'll see if it actually happens or not. is to post every day during December. I don't know that I'm gonna make it happen. It depends on what all we have going on. Between his work schedule and my work schedule, and really the only thing we have is to clean this barn. We have a couple little things like lights that we were supposed to get done, outside lights that were supposed to be done before winter hit. Yeah. It always seems to sneak up on us faster than we anticipate. So we might get to those, I hope. But other than that, and then lambing, there's really not a whole lot going on this month. So I will post when I can. They might be just a 2-minute of watching the sheep. They could be a 10-minute of hoping my husband doesn't fall off the ladder changing the outside lights. But we'll see. We'll just roll with whatever we have going on. You watching the girl for me? Huh? Miss Patty? Camera shy. Usually it's Ned in here watching the ewe, but I'm thinking he's out with the sheep because he didn't come when I called for him to eat, and he's not in here with her, so I guess we hope he's out there and not wandering somewhere down in the canyon. But okay, food for dogs at the house, and I'm done for the night. Hello. You can't see out there, but the whole flock is in. I wouldn't have known it had she not bobbed to me. I know, huh, sis? Huh. Well, that's odd. Oh, no, never mind. I was thinking she wasn't one that I had bred. Well, now I'm not sure. Wonder if we have a spot where the lambs from the slough got in with the big flock. Not that it's a big deal. They need put in with them anyway. I'm just noticing lack of blue on her butt. And she's kind of by herself, like she's lost the rest of her crew. Huh. Well, I guess I will have to go out tomorrow and do some checking. Yeah, you can't see. It's too dark. But all the other sheep are in. Snow must have brought them in today.